guys, thanks for joining me today for another video at 5B's Garage. Today I'm just going to do a quick one. We're going to change the oil on my 2021 Dodge Ram with the 5.7 liter Hemi in it. Alright guys, here she is under the hood. 2021 Dodge Ram 1500 with the 5.7 liter Hemi. Here's where the oil fill is. That's about the only thing we need up here. This is the oil dipstick. We'll use that when we fill it. And the oil filter and drain down below. Here we are under the truck. So I don't know what moron designed this. The oil filter's up here. So when you change the oil, one, it's hard to get to, and two, it's going to drip all over the steering rack here. Total nightmare. So we're going to first drain the oil from the drain plug down back, and then we'll take this filter out, and that'll be fun. All right, hopefully you guys can see this is the oil drain plug here. We're gonna need the deep socket for that because the awesome engineer who designed the oil filter location designed the sway bar right in the way. Sure, why not? That's awesome. Oil's good. It's only got about 5,000 miles on it. Alright, we drained enough. You can sit here forever and let every little drop come out, but that's good enough. This particular truck takes 7 quarts with the filter, so I bought 10. Again, I don't know what the torque spec is, but don't go crazy on it. Use common sense and it'll be tight enough. Alright, that's the easy part. Now we gotta do the filter. So I'll bring you over there. That'll be fun. Alright guys, here we are with the oil filter. I don't know how much of this you can see or not see. I can barely see in there. Let's see if I can get my hand in here to get this thing out. Oh. Whoever did this obviously doesn't do oil changes. Alright. That's much better than the factory filter that was on there, because that factory filter wasn't coming out. That was a real pain. So what I like to do is stick a rag underneath where the filter is going to drain out, just to try to keep some of the mess down, because it gets messy. And of course the wind is blowing. Right, why wouldn't it? Oh Jesus, this is ridiculous. What moron designed this? I know, the engineer, right? College educated engineer that went to school, and the poor guy that has to fix this stuff gets the short end of the stick every time. Alright, here we go. It's coming down. So okay. Alright, we're almost there. Okay, here we go. Oh, Jesus. Now, I don't remember how to get this filter out of here. I have it in my hand, but it won't come out. Oh, Jesus. It doesn't help that I can't see anything. What's going on here? Ah, son of a bitch, that hurt. have to bleep that out. The catalytic converter's hot, guys. All right, there we go. Now I know I'm going to catch some flack for the orange filter, but I've been running them for years, never had a problem. I don't believe everything I read on the internet. And if you change your filter often, it shouldn't be much of an issue. So I'm sticking with them. All right, we'll let that drain a little bit. Obviously, my paper towel idea didn't work out too well this time, but that's all right. Here I am back. We got the gold version of the orange filter. Let's see if we can get her in there. I lubed up the O-ring with some fresh oil before I brought it over here. So, not to worry. Let's get this tightened up and try not to burn our arms on the catalytic converter again. Oh, this is just... This is just ridiculous. Yeah. If we can get a little more better grip on this with the towel, make it a little tighter. Okay, that should be good. All right. Now we'll clean up our mess down here, and I'll bring you back. Just real quick, I mean, this is like, this whole area is totally flooded with oil. This connector's flooded with oil. Oil's dripping down here. This is just ridiculous. I don't know who designed this, but from what I understand, Hemi's been like this for a while. You'd think they would change it. This is, this particular Hemi, this is just ridiculous. There's literally oil everywhere, all over this stuff. Totally not needed. Did I tell you I don't like engineers? Anyway, just wanted to put that out there. All right, here we are. I know I'm going to catch grief for this too. Quaker State, 5W20, full synthetic. I just use whatever oil's on sale. It's all good. As long as it meets the specs. I don't see the difference in the name on the bottle. So, like I said, this thing takes 7 quarts. Let's try not to spill this. There we go. So this is 5. And then I got another 5-gallon jug because it was cheaper than buying 2 1-quart bottles. So throw this in. I don't usually like to go right to 7. I find you never get all the oil out of the engine. So I like to go to 1 quart below it. I'll go to 6 quarts. And then we'll let the truck settle down. And then we'll check the level. And if we're low, we can always add. If we're high, it's a lot harder to take it out than it is to put it in. Bottle. Again, it's not rocket science, so I just look at the 5-quart level. Try not to spill this. And we'll put in what looks like a quart. Let's see if we're at the 4-quart level in the bottle. Let's see. Yeah, close enough. It's right at 4 1/4 quarts. So we put in 3/4 of a quart. All right, we'll call that good for now. We'll check it once the truck levels out and settles down. And then we'll add if we need. If we don't, we'll be good. Hope is we don't have to take any out. All right, let's get this. We don't want to spill oil everywhere. Put our oil fill cap back on. All right, that's it. Oil change is done. It took longer to film it than actually do it. All right, guys, thanks for joining me today for this quick episode. We just did a basic oil change on my 2021 Dodge Ram. Took longer to film it than actually do it. It's a project anybody could do at home, changing your own oil. I have faith that it was changed properly. It's got the right amount now. And the filter was changed. I don't have to worry about those quick lubes or sitting at the dealer for 4 hours to get an oil change. Typically, it takes about a half an hour by the time you let all the oil drain away. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button down below. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see the next video when it comes out. We'll see you guys next time. Normally they say out with the old, in with the new. Well, in this case, we're out with the new, in with the old. Ready for drop off.